So this is our recipe, guys. Vegetable afritada with no potato. Good for losing weight and diet. So hello guys, we're heating our oil. Then we will put our ground meat here. Ground meat is there. We will just cook that one. Then we're adding some soy sauce. We're adding paprika. And after that, we're adding molasses, but molasses is optional, guys. Molasses is added. Then now we're adding our garlic. Then after that, we will add our onion, guys. And onions is added there. Then we will mix. Then now we're adding our carrots and cabbage. And we will mix. So that's it, our main ingredients. Later we will add the tomato in can there here and tomato soup. The tomato in can is our homemade. And some, what is that? Bell pepper and cauliflower. So now guys, we're adding our tomato soup. Soup of tomato. We'll add that one can, and here our homemade salsa from green tomato. We're adding that one. Then this is the homemade tomato can also that I will add in there. So it's look like that now, and then we're mixing it. And it's like that now, guys. So yummy. Now it's boiling now. Let's just reduce the juice of this. Then we will add siracha, optional, and ketchup and tomato paste. And now guys, I will add the Knorr cubes chicken. So now guys, we're adding tomato paste. More. And that's it. Tapos ayan guys, after that we're putting a little bit of sriracha and ketchup. Okay. And then at the last, we're adding this cauliflower and bell pepper that I cooked the other day. So this is our afritadang gulay. You can add potato, guys, but we are in a diet, so we don't add potatoes in this recipe. So we'll just eat plain like that. So afritadang gulay without a potato. You know, there's beef afritada, pork afritada. This one is vegetable afritada. So ayan, it's cooked already, guys. Our diet food, vegetable afritada with no potato.